Hey gamers! Ready to relive some classic PSP moments? Alright, step 1. Get your PSP game files. These could be ISO, CSO, PBP, or even CHD formats. You can dump your own UMD discs if you've got a modded PSP or copy digital downloads from your PSP to your computer. Just make sure you're grabbing your games from trustworthy sources. Next, transfer those files to your device. On PC, it's a breeze. Just navigate to them in PPSSPP via File. Load. For Android, connect your phone to your PC with a USB cable, create a PSP Games folder, and drop the files in. iOS users, connect your device to your Mac, open Finder, and drag those files into the PPSSPP folder. Simple. Finally, load up your games in PPSSPP. On PC or Android, open the app, head to the Games tab, and find your folder. On iOS, the Games tab will show your transferred games. Tap to play, and there you have it. Your PSP classics are now ready to roll.